Green collard. Today, I will share with you 2 delicious recipes featuring green collard greens. First, I'd like to say thank you for being a part of the Afsan Farm Media Production channel. Let's dive into it. Collard greens, a versatile and nutritious vegetable, can be enjoyed in various ways. First up is a classic Southern-style collard greens recipe that will take your taste buds on a flavorful journey. To start, wash and remove the tough stems from the collard greens. Slice them into thin strips and set them aside. In a large pot, heat some oil over medium heat, and sauté onions and garlic until fragrant. Add the collard greens to the pot and stir them around, ensuring they are coated in the flavorful mixture. Pour in some vegetable broth and season with salt, pepper, and your choice of spices. Cover the pot and simmer the collard greens for about 45 minutes, or until they are tender and infused with delicious flavors. Serve these Southern-style collard greens as a side dish or with a bowl of rice for a comforting and hearty meal. Second recipe, green collard salad. Now, let's move on to a refreshing and nutritious way to enjoy green collard greens as a salad. Start by washing the collard greens thoroughly, then remove the stems and chop them into bite-sized pieces. In a large bowl, combine the collard greens with other fresh ingredients, such as tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Drizzle some lemon juice and olive oil over the salad and toss it all together. Add some fresh chili to the salad if you like a hot taste. Season with salt, pepper, and any additional herbs or spices. Allow the flavors to meld together for a few minutes before serving. This vibrant and crisp collard green salad is a perfect accompaniment to any meal and a great way to incorporate more greens into your diet. Whether you choose to cook collard greens or enjoy them fresh, they are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. From the comforting Southern-style dish to the refreshing salad, there are many ways to savor the goodness of green collard greens. Thank you for being a part of the Afsan Farm Media Production channel. Unlock a world of knowledge, inspiration, and entertainment by subscribing to our channel today, and join a community of curious minds on a journey towards limitless possibilities. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Afsan Farm Media Production. Afsan Farm's Kitchen. Associated with Afsan Farm Media Production.